Welcome to VangoNotes for Management Information Systems, 10th edition, by Jane Laudon and Kenneth Laudon. Chapter 1, Information Systems in Global Business Today. Section 1, Big Ideas. As we begin exploring management information systems, it's useful to think about how much impact technology is having on our world and our personal lives. Everything we do, from communication to entertainment to jobs, is influenced by technological advances, as you can certainly see all around you. No matter what career path you choose, you'll be affected by the way businesses are using information systems. Let's analyze why companies spend as much money on information systems as they do. These systems help businesses fulfill 6 strategic objectives. The first one, operational excellence, is the way managers achieve more efficiency and productivity in the workplace. For instance, Walmart uses information systems to increase efficiencies in its supply chain. The second objective is to help businesses create new products or services, like iPods or hybrid cars, or create an entirely new business model, like eBay.com. The third objective of information systems is to create or improve relationships between a business and its customers, and between a business and its suppliers. Coca-Cola, for instance, has valuable relationships with its bottling companies and with the millions of consumers who drink its products. The fourth objective is to give managers and employees the tools necessary to make better decisions. Wells Fargo Bank uses data in its information systems to make decisions about mortgage applications in a matter of minutes rather than weeks. The fifth objective of information systems is to help a business increase its advantages over competitors. Toyota, for instance, tracks information about car buyers' preferences in order to compete effectively against other car makers. The sixth and last objective of information systems is to help ensure the survival of the business. Intuit must continually update its QuickBooks product with the latest tax information from state and federal governments, or risk losing customers. We'll use the terms information technology and information systems quite a bit, so let's make sure we know what they mean and how they're different. Information technology, or IT for short, consists of hardware such as desktop computers, laptops, data storage devices, personal digital assistants, and even cell phones. It includes the software used on all these devices, ranging from operating systems such as Microsoft Windows and Linux to productivity software like Microsoft Office. Finally, information technology also includes enterprise-wide software like customer relationship management and supply chain management programs. Information systems, on the other hand, consist of more than just hardware and software. A good information system allows a business to input data, which are raw facts, process it into meaningful information, and output it, in the form of a printed report, for instance, to people who can use it. The final phase in this information systems loop is feedback. Feedback allows a business to determine whether the information system properly processes the data input and whether the output, in turn, is appropriate and timely. What sets a good information system apart is this ability to turn raw data into useful information. A good computer system has the necessary input, processing, and output components from a technical standpoint, but a good information system includes these components and views them from a behavioral standpoint, not just from a technical one. That is, how will the organization and the people in it use the system to help a company achieve the 6 strategic business objectives we just talked about? Here are 2 more terms to know. There's a big difference between computer literacy and information literacy. You can have the most powerful hardware available on the market, along with the fanciest software programs created to date. You can surf the web at blazing speeds and have a list of bookmark websites a mile long. Those activities give you computer literacy. But if you can use the hardware, software, and network to create solutions to business problems and help your business